Hello everyone, my name is Riyansh and today we are going to do origami. We are not going to do electricity kit. So, we are going to do boat and 4 cups. So, let me show you some examples of what I made. So, this is a red boat. This is the blue boats. These are the red and blue boats. This is a green color, dark green color 4 cup, and this is a light green color 4 cup. So let's start. Making the boat. We'll fold the bottom part to the top. So from this bottom, we'll fold it with that. Before that, we'll check if your paper is square or not. If your paper is rectangle, then you fold it like this, make the crease and cut the bottom part. And if it's square, then let's continue. So what you do is fold the bottom part exactly to the top. Then you take the right part and put it to the left. Fold it to the left. So this is the right. I'll take it and fold it over here. Okay. I'm done folding. I'll just fold it exactly. Okay. Now you will see 4 papers here. Take the first one and fold it like this. So this is the paper. I'll fold it exactly like a triangle. Okay. Now take the back part, turn it back, and then you fold it down. Okay. Make the crease, fold it as good as you can. Now you take this, open it fully, put your finger in the between, and then fold it like this. Once you're done folding, turn it upside down and then open it. So your boat would be something like this. Open it, and once you opened it, just put it like this. There you go. Your boat's ready. So this is the boat I made. If the top part's a bit not good, then you can just fold it like this. Okay, now we are going to make the 4 cup. So check if your paper is square or not. If it's rectangle, then fold it the same way, like this. Cut the down part. If it's square, let's continue. So you do the same steps. Fold it down to up like this. Okay. And after folding it down to up, okay, I'm done folding it down to up. Now I fold it right to the left, same way. But this time we are not going to fold it from here to here. What we'll do is open the paper again. Okay. Now you would be having the midpoint. So fold it from all sides. The first side, second side, third side. All of it must go to the center. And fourth side. This is, if it's a bit, this one's not going, it's okay. Now you turn it back. Before that, I'll just make the piece. Yeah. You turn it back like this. Now you will be having a diamond. You put it up to down, and this would go here, up to down. Same, all the 4 sides. You do this. Now this would go down to up. Okay, done. Now what you do is very simple. You fold it like this, like this, like this. Actually, you're done. Now what you have to just do is, you put it like this, fold it like this. Okay, now you will be having the 4 things you made. Take it like this. Put one of your finger in each, and there you go. 4 cups ready. So what you just have to do is this. So I'll just fold this, and then like this. There you go. Down, down, down. So now you can write something in, like here. Just open it, right? Then ask them which color do you want. Just draw the colors over here on each side. Ask which color. Like I'll give you example. Color, which color do you choose? So you can write the colors once they choose. Number, which number do you choose? So the numbers written over here, you can tell them. So, and after that the numbers they choose, you tell them to choose a number from here. When they are done choosing, whatever you have written here would be seen. So this is the 4 cup you made, and this is a board. Thank you. Bye.